Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Lick of the Day by the Rock U School of Music. Today we're talking about a G Major Pentatonic riff using two different positions. Kind of going off of the last Lick of the Day we did, Lick of the Day number 5, kind of in a country kind of vein today. We're using two different scale shapes. The first scale shape is a root 6, second position G Major Pentatonic. And the second one is an open position G. So this lick of the day is, let me do this real slow, it's pretty cool. Can I do that lick again? Okay, so we have 3 to 5 on the second string, 3 to 5 on the first string, then we reach up to 7 on the first string, back to 5 on the first string, back to 3 on the first string, 5 on the second string, 3 on the second string, 3 on the first string, 5 on the second string, down to 4 on the third string, back up to 3, 5 on the second string. So far we have this. Then we're going down to 3 on the second string. And here's where we're starting to slide into the open position, G major. So we're 3 on the second string, 4 on the third string, 3 on the third string, 2 on the third string, open G string, second fret on the fourth string, open fourth string, second fret on the fifth string, open fifth string, and third fret on the sixth string. So it's like this. Yeah, let me do that again. So sometimes when you're playing in these closed positions, don't be afraid. I'm reaching up to this B, which is the third of the scale, the B in the G major pentatonic. Don't be afraid to reach out of the closed positions for, correct scale tones. Sometimes you can find interesting tones that are not just in the pre-prescribed box scales. Okay. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching that video. If you like what we're doing, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, check out the tabs on our Patreon channel, and have a great day. Thank you.